Hello creators, in this motion graphics tutorial, we will learn how to create this title effect. Here I will create a new solid layer, which will be used as background. Add fill effects to this background layer. Set background color to white. Here you can add any text of your choice. Adjust the text accordingly. Pre-compose it as text composition. Add fill effect for text composition and set color to black. Now let's add the texture media to the timeline. I will import the media files needed for this project. Download link for this media file is provided in the description. Now let's add the texture media to the timeline. Hide it. For text composition, add the set matte effect. For set matte, change take matte to texture. Change source to effect and mask. Change matte to luminance. Now for the text, you need to create scale keyframes. At start, set scale to 0%. Now at 20 frames, set scale to 30%. Select keyframes. Change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Here you need to adjust the speed graph as shown. Perfect. Select rectangle tool. Now let's create mask as shown. Place it below text. Now create duplicate of text composition. Place it below the shape layer. For text, change track matte to alpha inverted matte shape layer. For text layer, we will increase scale value for end keyframe. You need to set it according to your text. Now we will place this text and shape layer at 4 frames. Now create duplicate of it. Now we will place text and shape layer at 8 frames. Now for text and shape layer, we will adjust the scale. Perfect. Now let's again create duplicate of text and shape layer. Now place text and shape layer at distance of 4 frames. Now for text and shape layer, we will adjust the scale. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now let's create a new solid to create blur effect. Add beam effect to the solid blur layer. For beam, adjust the start and ending position. Set length to 100. Starting and ending thickness to 600. Set softness to 80%. Now hide the layer. Now create adjustment layer. Add camera lens blur to this adjustment layer. Now set layer to blur solid layer. Change source to effects and mask. Set blur radius to 15. Select invert blur map. Now add dust media to timeline. Create new adjustment layer. Add sharpen to adjustment layer. Set amount to 100. Add noise to adjustment layer. Set amount of noise to 5%. Perfect. Now you can see the complete preview. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you want this exact project file, then DM me on Instagram and I will send the project file to you.